Yeah, I'm fine. How about you?
Yeah, I'm also good. Thank you so much. And we are meeting the very first time. Would you please introduce yourself? I want to know about you.
Yeah, sure. Thanks for giving me such a beautiful opportunity. I am Jaya. I am from Gorakhpur. I have completed my diploma in electronics engineering. I am homemaker and I teach tuition. And I take tuition up to class 10th standard. I am blessed with two daughters. And as far as my hobby is concerned, I love to dance, I love to read books, and I love to travel. That's all about me.
Okay, good to know about you.
Yeah, I would like to know about you.
Sure, I'll introduce myself. I'm Chitra. I was born and brought up in Pondicherry, but I'm currently living in Kolkata. I have been living here for the past 5 years. I have completed masters in management. I worked in corporate sector. Now I quit my job because of my family responsibilities. I have two children, and as for my hobbies, it changes day by day. Nowadays, I love to learn languages, especially Hindi and Bengali, and I'm so passionate about English language and love interacting with people. I'm living my passion. That's all about me.
Amazing, amazing introduction from your side.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
And how long have you been using this app? I want to know about
Yeah,
that.
I have been using this app before 2 months ago in December.
Okay. Tell me about your English language journey.
Actually, I have been learning this language, or you can say that I have been improving this language before 2 months ago because somewhere I feel that I lacked my consistency or fluency in speaking. That's why yeah, you can say that I have been practicing before 2 months ago.
Okay. Good to know about you.
Tell me something about your journey in related to English.
Yeah, definitely I will tell you. When I started my English journey when I was in my college, and I have completed BCom, then I realized my English was good. But once I entered into MBA, then I realized but my English wasn't good. So later I joined some courses, I installed some application, but whatever it is, it was not helped me a lot. So I learned by myself because of my techniques. I applied many techniques. I created many opportunities. Then I analyzed myself. Then I found some technique especially for English. Then I created many opportunities with my co-learners, even colleagues. I worked in some corporate sector as well. So I got many opportunities. So I created something and I had many conversation with others. So that's the reason I improved my English. But when I started my English journey with the help of customer care, because customer care they are speaking so good English, so that's the reason. I called many person, so I asked some random question each and every day, almost 5 to 6 members in a day. So I created that opportunity because of my English. Nowadays, we have technology, this kind of mobile, so we are using on regular basis. But I'm talking to before 10 years ago, I haven't this kind of technology, even mobile phone, even network issues also. So that's the reason I called with many people. So that's what my English language journey, journey started. I think so. Now almost 7 to 6 years after I got married, I quit everything because of my family. So I always stuck with my family, even my kids, my household chores, everything. Usually I don't have time, especially for me time also. So now I restarted my journey again almost 2 months now because I love interacting with people on regular basis. So I love that kind of people. I spread in a way is positivity. So I get many positive from other people also. So that's the reason. Now it's going good. My English journey is going good. Maybe 1 to 2 years later, I return back my job. So that's the reason I want to enhance myself. I want to touch with this English language with this kind of positivity people. So that's the reason.
Wow, good. Yeah.
Okay. Do you improve your English? What kind of technique do you do? do you love, for speaking, reading, listening? What kind of things do you do on regular basis?
Yeah, at this time I watched a conversational video from YouTube, and whenever I feel free time, then I read books. And yeah, and speaking with everyone by Skype app. That is I am using at this time to
Okay.
improve it. Yeah, to enhance its skill.
Okay. Are you working professional
No, I'm tuition teacher. I take tuition at home.
at home?
Because of because of some family responsibility, I couldn't do any job because family priority was the first at that time. But nowadays I started again.
Hmm.
I just want to start again my journey, or you can say that my children grown up. That's why I want to start again.
Yeah, this is very mandatory, Nowadays, children are learning many things from mother. This is the first, you are the teacher for your kid. So that's the reason definitely English is very mandatory.
Yeah,
Okay.
actually, because of gap, my speaking skills is very much affected. And if you don't do it on the regular basis,
Yeah.
speaking on the
Mm.
regular basis, you will fall down because at home we always used our native language in speaking, you know and not conversation is not possible at home in English. uh, that's why I joined this app and I practice on regular basis.
Actually, this is the best app, not only for each and every person, because now we are at home, but I am somewhere, but you are in somewhere, but we are connecting because of this mobile. So nowadays,
Yes.
don't want to blame any other people, any other technology, because I don't have any speaking partner, so that's the reason I'm not improving. But this is, I think, it's not that kind of thing. But nowadays we have mobile technology, internet connection. We have to connect everywhere, so that's why we are improving on regular basis, so that's the good thing. And don't think about underestimate you, because you are doing a very good job, because you are a mother, because I also know that what kind of problem are you facing, because I'm facing the same thing. But whatever it is, we are give some special time, especially for improving ourselves, especially in English language. So this is the good thing. We are I think I want to appreciate you, because you are doing a right job. So don't think anything negative in a way.
Yeah, sure. I don't feel anything else. And when I was a student, I have no any problems. But at this time, I face problems in speaking. But I know I could maintain. I will maintain it in
Because
future.
of fluency, because I'm regularly connecting with many people, but I also don't have time. But I think one or two people I regularly connect with them. But if I quit almost 2 to 3 days, after the fourth day, I miss my fluency, because I
Yeah,
lagging somewhere. That's
yeah,
the
I
reason.
agree with your point. Yeah.
Yes, definitely, because fluency, I must say, it comes under only in the way of practice. It's not in comes under any way of knowledge. Whatever it is, I know many things, but I want to practice with other people on regular basis. If I miss 1 or 2 days, I miss my fluency. Sometimes I thinking, oh, I don't know English. How I need to connect with other people. So that's the reason. Regularly, we have to connect with any other people. That's my opinion. And this app is quite good, because we are improving on regular basis. We are connecting on different people from different states. We can explore many people. We can speak many things from other people. I think this is a good app. I think so. Do you use
Yeah.
any kind of app, or are you using only Skype?
Yeah, I'm using at this time only Skype. I'm not using any other apps.
Hmm.
And I think that listening and reading or writing is not enough. Speaking is very much crucial. Speaking is crucial to enhance our speaking fluency. And
Yes, definitely. The first thing is speaking. Whatever it is, we have to speak something in front of others. Then we have to gain some knowledge by listening, by the way of reading, whatever it is. But you have to write also, it's a good thing because whatever it is, we have to think and then we have to write it down. So it is also the one kind of good thing, I think so.
Yes, yes, you are definitely right.
Okay.
Yes.
How many hours do you spend on this app?
Yeah, when I finished my all household chores, then I engage on Skype, and I messaged every time anyone is interested in speaking. Anyone is interested to convo. If message I receive any message, then I definitely connect with them. Yeah. And evening time, I prefer to read books
Hmm.
after 8 p.m. Yeah, I prefer to
What
read
kind of
books.
what kind of books do you read?
Yeah, actually, 3 to 6 time or 7 time, it's my tuition time. So at that time, I teach only my specific subjects like physics, chemistry, and mathematics. After that, after 8 p.m., I read my own interested book, any novel or some kind of. Yes.
Hmm. What is your favorite novel?
My favorite novel. Uh, At this time, I read every type of books. Uh, when when I will read many books, then I will decide which one is my favorite.
Hmm.
Yes.
Right, right.
But at this time, I will not decide which one is my favorite because I read at this time all types of books. Yeah.
Actually, in my initial stage, I hate reading. But after many people suggested me you should read any kind of books. Then I started my reading journey with the help of bedtime stories because I usually, bought some kind of bedtime stories, especially for my daughter. I usually read any bedtime stories in front of my daughter. Then I thought, okay, my level is good. Then I want to level up my English. Then I bought, especially Sudha Murthy and Ruskin Bond. These two are my best author. Almost now I have completed 7 to 8 books because their writings is so good because especially I would recommend for beginners and young readers also. So when I have free time, I usually read this kind of books. But initial stage, I read only 2 to 3 pages. Then slightly I increase my pages. Now I can read 5 to 6 pages. That is enough for me. And afternoon time, I usually prefer my own mother tongue book. Tamil, that is my mother tongue. I usually prefer that kind of books. So I always feel happy to read this kind of books because I think I'm the role model for my daughter. If I watch web series or any TV serials or any movies, she also do the same things. So that's the
Yes.
reason I want to change myself because of my daughter. Now my daughter also change herself because she starts reading some kind of books. She is now 6 years old. She is also so much interested in English language, and she has a YouTube channel also. She has connected with many people. So because I learned English by myself because I faced some hurdles, no humiliation in front of others. After I thought I wanted to learn this language, but I don't want to push my daughter because I think English is just a language. Don't you want to push ourselves to learn from start with grammar, punctuation, each and everything. So I thought my daughter would fun with this language. So she's get good fluency, so now she's speaking good. First she needs to understand this language because if anybody asking any question in English, she must say something. She don't want to hide herself. She don't want to get scared in front of others. So that's the reason now it's going good, I think so.
But today's children knows very well how to speak in English.
Because of
Um,
this technology, because each and every day my daughter watch series, especially cartoons, everything only in English language because she her mother tongue Tamil. So usually I speak with her. And especially these two languages, Hindi and Bengali, she has lot of friends, especially in schools. So that's the reason she knows especially these two languages, Hindi and Bengali. But the English is the problem. So that's why she usually watch all cartoons. I change that language into English. So now she can understand. She will give small sentences in a way of answer. She will ask some questions too. So that's the reason she is good. So I'm also applying the same things for me because I'm also engaging with her all the time. So that's the reason.
Yeah, that's good.
Do you have any other question or let's wind up the session?
Yeah, I haven't any questions. You can wind up. But nice to talk with you. I feel very happy. I feel very comfortable while talking to you. Yeah.
Thank you so much. It was a nice conversation with you. Whenever we have free time, just connect. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Bye bye.